I Don't Like Butter, a true story inspired by J.R. Whitworth and written by me, Christina Fridley Whitworth. One day, Mama was in the kitchen. She got out her shiny red mixer to make a treat for her children. Just then, her little boy walked into the room, and he stood there watching very closely to see what she was doing. Mama got some butter out of the fridge, and the little boy said, "I don't like butter." Next, Mama got out eggs and chocolate chips. The boy said, "I don't like eggs, but I do like chocolate chips." Mama continued to get out the ingredients, and the boy continued to say, "I don't like vanilla. I don't like flour. I don't like baking soda. I don't like salt." Then he paused and said, "But I do like sugar." The boy asked Mama, "What are you making?" Mama smiled, looked down and said, "Chocolate chip cookies." The boy was suddenly very interested, and he watched as Mama scooped the dough out of the bowl and onto the pan. Next, Mama put the unbaked cookies in the oven. While the cookies were baking, the boy waited and waited, and he had to wait for what felt like a very long time, a whole 10 minutes. The boy watched the oven intensely, trying to figure out how all these ingredients combined would make delicious cookies. Finally, the buzzer rang, and Mama pulled the cookies out of the oven. The boy was excited. The cookies looked and smelled delicious. But Mama said he still had to wait while the cookies cooled. After what must have felt like an eternity, even though it was only 5 minutes, Mama finally handed the boy a cookie. The boy bit into the cookie and looked at his mama, and he said, "Oh, I do like butter."